In today's video, I'll show you how to trade on TradeLocker. To get started, you need an account with a broker or prop firm that supports the TradeLocker platform. Once your account is ready, log into the TradeLocker through your broker's platform or a direct access link. On the right side of the platform, choose the trading instrument you want, such as a currency pair, stock, or other asset. You can browse through categories or use the search bar to find it quickly. Next, open the order panel by clicking the up arrow to view all the trading options. Select your order type, either a market order for instant execution or a pending order to enter at the price you set. Enter your lot size, which determines how much you want to trade. For risk management, set your stop loss and take profit levels. You can define these based on price, tick P&L, or account balance. Once everything looks correct, click buy or sell to place the trade. If one-click trading is disabled, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Your active trades and pending orders will show in the Trades panel at the bottom of the screen. To close a position, click the Close button on the far right and select Confirm. And that's how you trade on the TradeLocker.